everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video, we are going to learn how to create kit subscriber for LinkedIn lead gen ads leads. So let's suppose I am running a company and I am promoting all my webinar with the help of LinkedIn. Now I am receiving many leads there and I want to create subscriber in my kit account. So I completely want to automate this process, and to do this I am going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which requires no coding or programming skills. Here I just need to build connection between LinkedIn lead gen ads leads and Git. Pabbly Connect runs on two principles, which is trigger and action. Here, as my trigger application, I am going to take LinkedIn lead gen ads leads from where I will receive new leads, and then in my action application I am going to take Git where a subscriber will be created automatically. If you want to learn this amazing automation step by step, then let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to create kit subscriber from LinkedIn lead gen ads leads. For this, we are going to create automation between LinkedIn lead gen ads leads and kit with the help of Pabbly Connect. So this is the landing page of Pabbly, and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com/connect in your browser. Now after browsing the website, we need to sign into a Pabbly account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in. But if you are a new user, click on the sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. As I'm an existing user, I'll click on this sign in. And here a dashboard has appeared showing me all the Pabbly applications. Here I have to click on this Pabbly Connect Access Now. And it has taken me to this dashboard where I will be able to find all my workflows over here and all the folders that I have created over here. If you want to create a new folder, you just need to click on this plus icon, and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on this create workflow. And first I need to give the workflow name and then select the folder in which I want to save this workflow. So first let's name this workflow as how to create kit subscriber for LinkedIn lead gen ads leads. Now I need to select my folder. So these are the folders that have been created, and I want to select this all automations and then click on create. Now as soon as I click on create, two boxes have appeared in front of me. One is trigger, other is action. So trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger in a workflow, but as many as action applications as you want. Here in this workflow, I want to create kit subscriber for LinkedIn lead gen ads leads, which means whenever I will receive a new lead in LinkedIn, a subscriber will be created in Kit automatically, which means whenever I will receive new lead in LinkedIn, this complete workflow here will get triggered, because trigger says when this happens. So whenever a new lead is generated and action says do this, create subscriber in Kit. So here in my trigger application, I am going to take LinkedIn lead gen forms, and then in my trigger event, I am going to take this new lead gen form response. Now I have to click on this connect. So if you have an existing connection, you can go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection and then click on this connect with LinkedIn lead gen forms. And as I was already logged in my LinkedIn account, the authorization was easy and successful. So here LinkedIn lead gen forms is connected with Pabbly Connect, and now I have to enter the account that I'll be using and the lead form that I'll be running. So in this drop down, I can see the accounts. So to enter this, let me take you to my LinkedIn account. So this is my LinkedIn account, and this is the account, Pabbly's ad account, which I'm using. So I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and select this Pabbly's ad account. And then I have to select the lead form. So from over here, I'm going to select the form as this one. So now LinkedIn lead gen form is a polling based application. And if I click on the save and send test request, I will not receive the response instantly, because it will take 10 minutes to check the response that I have submitted in my lead gen forms. So that's why I'm first going to submit the form and then I will click on the save and send test request. And as I do that, I will receive the response in my Pabbly Connect. And then again after 10 minutes, LinkedIn lead gen form will check for the new response in every 10 minutes. So now I am first going to fill the form. So over here you can see my campaign manager in LinkedIn. Now I am going to open this, and here you can see that my campaign is in draft mode. So I am going to open this. Here I have opened this, and to open the form I have to click on this apply now. And over here this form has appeared in front of me. I am already been provided with the first name, last name and the company name, and I just need to fill the email address and the phone number, because as my campaign is in draft mode, but your campaign will be in live mode and your leads will get to fill all the details. So here I am going to enter my email address as new@pabblytudes.com, and then my phone number as, now my first name is Pabbly, last name is Subscription Billing Management Service, my company is Magnet Brains, and now I have to click on this submit. As soon as I have submitted my form, this detail should be added and received in my Pabbly Connect. So let's go back to Pabbly Connect, and if I scroll down, I have to click on the save and send test request. And here I can see I have successfully received the response. The email address was new@pabblytudes.com. The phone number was this. First name was Pabbly, last name was Subscription Billing Management Service, and then the company name was Magnet Brains. So as I have received the response in my Pabbly Connect, this shows that the connection between LinkedIn lead gen forms and Pabbly Connect is successful. And now whenever someone will submit the form, I will receive the response in my Pabbly Connect, but this application will check for the response after every 10 minutes instead of giving the response instantly. Also that from this three dots you can set the trigger timing. Here I have set the timing for 10 minutes. To check the response after every 10 minutes, you can select the timing according to your choice and preference. So here I want to select it as 10 minutes only. And now I need to move to my next step. So whenever I receive new lead from my LinkedIn lead gen form, I want to add this as a subscriber in my kit. So here in my action application, I am going to take kit. And then in my action event, I am going to scroll down and click on this tag a subscriber. Now I have to click on this connect. So if you have an existing connection, you can go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection, and to make this connection, you have to enter the API key and the API secret. Under this it is written, you can find the above keys by logging into your kit account. After login, go to your account settings. So as I have already logged in my kit account, I will open this hyperlink, and if I scroll down I can see this developer. So I will open this, and here I am provided with the API key and the API secret. So now I simply have to copy this and paste that in my Pabbly Connect. Now I have to click on this save. So kit is connected with Pabbly Connect, and now I have to enter all these details. So here I have to enter the tag ID, the email and the first name. So if I click on this, in this drop down I can see all the tags that have been created, and I want to select this LinkedIn leads. So whenever my subscriber is created, it is created under this tag. Now I need to enter my email address, and to enter this I am going to use a method called mapping, which means I am going to enter data from my previous response. So here I have received my response from LinkedIn lead gen forms, and as soon as I click on this I can see all the responses that I have received from there. So I am going to enter the email address as new@pabblytudes.com, and now I need to enter my first name. So I will follow the same process, and there my first name was Pabbly. So I will enter my first name as Pabbly, and over here mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in these fields. Manually entering the data will make these fields static, and the information will not change even if you have received the new response. Over here, if I manually enter any data, this field will become static, and every time I receive a new response, the result will not change. So as to keep these fields dynamic, we use this process mapping instead of manually entering the data. Now after adding the tag ID, email and the first name, I simply have to click on the save and send test request, and here I can see I have received the response with the subscription ID. Now I need to open my kit account and check whether this subscriber has been created there or not. So here this is my kit dashboard, and on the top I can see this grow, and then I have to click on the subscribers. And if I scroll down, I can see that I have created this subscriber by the name Pabbly, and the email address was new@pabblytudes.com. and it has been created under this tag LinkedIn Leads. So now to summarize, we took LinkedIn Legion Forms as our trigger application where we made connection with Pabbly Connect. We selected our account and the lead form, after which we submitted a form and then click on the save and send test request and receive the response. Then in our action application, we took it as our action application where we selected our action event as tag a subscriber. We enter the tag ID, the email and the first name. Simply clicked on the save and send test request and receive the response over here. So we have successfully created automation between LinkedIn Legion Forms and Kit with the help of Pabbly Connect. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.